My name is Heidi Tweedy and I'm the Social Movement and Enterprise Lead at Moray Wellbeing Hub. So for Moray Wellbeing Hub, the reason that we wanted to help to grow a community research network that looked at mental wealth in Moray was that first and foremost we're a social movement of peers. We had our own lived experiences of life challenges and we want to use that to make a difference. And because of that, what we found is we might know some of that, we don't necessarily know how to articulate that, and that data isn't necessarily captured in a way that we can use as community members, as community organisations, as people who are trying to make change in our communities ourselves. And we need something that will influence funders, influence policy, enable resources to get to the services and supports that we need and want in our communities to make Moray a mentally wealthy place. And I think a part of it as well is that a network is a really important way to do this, because we as an organisation, as a social enterprise locally, we've got these great partners who run other organisations with different governance structures and different approaches. Some of them are really small with just like one person, some are national organisations. And we're not necessarily finding it easy to collaborate, and we're often placed in positions around things like commissioning where we've got to compete. And ultimately, the solutions will come from us working in a co-productive way, working together to look at the challenges as a sort of ecosystem and working in a dynamic with statutory partners that's much more fair and flat and mutual, so that things can really be transformed in our local area as well as nationally and internationally. That learning can be used.
My name is Kareem Ahmed. I work for the Digital Health and Care Innovation Centre, DHI. So the Digital Health and Care Innovation Centre, DHI, is committed to progressing digital mental health and mental wellbeing supports. For example, we have a living lab focused on this topic in the Moray area, as well as a digital mental health innovation cluster, which we host on behalf of Scotland. So it was a natural opportunity to partner with the Moray Wellbeing Hub to establish a community research network. Mental health and mental well-being is a global challenge, and we are committed to addressing this in partnership with community partners and statutory bodies for the benefit of the people of Scotland.
So my name is Stacey Toner. I am Creative Director of MADE, which stands for Moray Arts Development Engagement, which is a regional arts charity that works with communities in a creative way. Being a partner is important to me as a representative of MADE, because we are really keen to understand better how and why we're working with the communities that we are. We want to improve our work and we want to improve our relationships, and we feel that being a partner will enable us to do that. I think the thing that I am looking forward to the most about being part of this network is feeling connected and feeling aware. From the first couple of meetings already, I've heard about approaches, strategies, interventions that are completely relevant to our work, and excited to start to think about how to implement those in our own context.
So my name's Alexander Williamson. I'm a freelance writer and photographer and researcher, and I'm hoping to bring my skills in that field to this network. It's important to me because it's a great opportunity to look at how we research in a different way, and to create some new methodologies for Moray. It's a great opportunity to tell the stories of the communities in Moray in the best possible way. The best thing about being a partner, we have a group of people and organisations who are all on a similar page in terms of where we want this network to go and what we want it to achieve, and that's hugely exciting.